Very, very good morning to all of you, my dear brothers and sisters. Today, I would like to share with you something very special. I really feel that spirituality is very scientific. Spirituality is scientific. Why do I say so? Usually in science we know we experiment something and then prove and then we accept it in science. In the same way, in spirituality, if you say you according to your own religion, of course according to our own religion, the Lord is expecting all of us to be peaceful beings, loveful beings. And He wanted us to love one another as I love my own self. So therefore, if I am telling the whole world that I am a peaceful being or a loveful being or a blissful being, then in that sense, we have to experiment that beautiful quality within me and see, am I really a peaceful being? Am I really a blissful being? Am I really a loveful being? I have to experiment that in me and see. That is why I just told you spirituality is very scientific. So therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, now we have to measure ourselves, we have to test ourselves. So who is going to test ourselves? Nobody can do that. Of course others will definitely feel, but you can do that test by your own self. You don't have to go to a laboratory to do that. You can do it by your own self. As you end your day, you can do it. Or after you meet any incident of the day, you can do it. For example, you are on the road facing a traffic situation, and with this traffic, you, maybe imagine there are about 10 people. 10 people may react in 10 different ways, but you may remain very peaceful and calm because you cannot do anything for this traffic. You have to wait and wait and wait till everything is settled and for you to move ahead. So therefore, 10 people may react in 10 different ways because of the world of experience the person is carrying on, because of the backpack each person is having on their back. So therefore, let me invite you, whatever you have in your backpack, all the negative experiences, please empty those one by one and fill them up with beautiful qualities. And you can experiment yourself, test yourself with all the daily experiences, and also with people whom you are meeting, you can test your own self, and as you end the day, you can test yourself. Like this, if you can keep on doing, as if you are in a laboratory, if you can keep on testing yourself, definitely my brothers and sisters, you will really experience, you will bring a beautiful product out of yourself, lovely, beautiful self. In other sense, lovely God image from you. You will give yourself as a God image to the whole world. That is your gift to the world. May I wish that beautiful blessing to all of you. God bless you all.